When MG had not been managed by Chinese state-owned automaker SAIC, the Brits marketed two mid-engine roadsters under the F and TF tags. Developed back when British Aerospace was running the show, the F released in 1995 with Vagabond's K-Series I4 engine. Attached to a 5-speed guidebook, it was a pretty good combo, particularly provided the F's fairly affordable starting price. What MG used to call TF was a heavy modification of the original, boasting 20% a lot more torsional tightness and also a little extra zest from the K-Series I4 engine in displacements of 1.6 as well as 1.8 liters. The TF was also put together in China by Nanjing Vehicle, which merged with SAIC back in 2017. Turning our attention back to the obnoxiously named Cyberster, the zero-emission roadster assures a powerful all-electric powertrain. That's it. MG really did not trouble giving out any type of concrete numbers, but it sure filled the affixed press release with doubtful declarations like the exterior design paying homage to MG's past roadsters. On the advantage, we do recognize a point or more about what's concealing under the modern yet nondescript body shell. The Ministry of Market as well as Infotech in China, aka MEAT, has lately spilled the beans on a number of technological details, consisting of the aesthetic weight, tipping the scales at a monstrous 1,850 kilograms, 4,079 pounds. According to the Chinese regulatory authority, the Cyberster can hit 193 kilometers per hour, 120 miles per hour in rear-wheel drive flavors. Flavors as in two rear-wheel drive selections, packaging 310 horsepower and 335 horsepower. There's also a two-motor variant in the pipeline with a slightly higher curb weight as well as a slightly greater full throttle. We currently do not know just how quick any of these variations is to 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, though. Geared up with either 19 or 20-inch wheels, the Cyberster actions 4.54 meters